Today, Princess Catherine wore emerald to AW Hainsworth, a family-owned heritage textile mill that produced British woolen clothes, high-performance technological textile and fabric. However, she had a minor wardrobe malfunction when her trouser appears to get cuts in her shoes for a brief moment. The princess great-grandfather sold William & Co. to AW Hainsworth in 1958. He chose an emerald green Burberry suit with a white blouse for the occasion. According to the fashion expert Miranda Holder, the princess has been wearing a lot of suits recently, and the reason is more symbolic than stylistic. Princess Kate's new suit line may allude to her evolving role within the royal family. It was announced earlier this year that the palace would no longer release details of what and who Kate is wearing, most likely in an effort to focus the world media on the important work the royals do rather than their fashion choices. But Kate is still hailed as a fashion icon globally, but the Kate's effect brings good fortune to the brand she champions. Perhaps this is why Kate's image seems to have evolved yet again, with the princess wearing more and more suits in her latest role, and wearing them exclusively for royal appointment since she returned from the summer break. Kate's style clothes are chic and refined, and they highlight her amazing body. Her blazer was structured, but she left the button undone for a more casual daytime approach. She wore a basic white blouse with a deep neckline underneath. Her high-waisted pant highlighted her unfillable long slender leg. Kate accessorized her look nicely with emerald sweat pump, most likely from Gianvito Rossi. The royal princess wore gold ample hoop earring, as well as a large gold statement necklace with a sandling motif. She wore her genuine 12-karat Ceylon sapphires and jasper, which she inherited from Princess Diana. Kate looked great in her new hairstyle, a bunchy curly blow-dry that she did herself. The princess has also just adopted certain bangs which nicely frame her face. Her makeup was faultless for a midi look, with a blusher, a touch of bronzer, a nude pink lip color, and dark smoky eyes. As a representative of the British royal family, Sophie, Duchess of Edinburgh, attended the state funeral of Giorgio Napolitano, Italy's former president, in Rome today. The Duchess arrived to the Palazzo Montecitorio wearing a black gown and a little diamond rose brooch. Napolitano was Italy's president from 2006 to 2015, and he was the country's first re-elected president. The late politician was the longest-lasting president in the history of the Italian Republic, serving more than 9 years and 4 months. The Duchess of Edinburgh represented King Charles and the British royal family at the Napolitano's funeral today. However, there were no representatives from the UK government. Some social media users were dissatisfied that Rishi Sunak did not send a high-profile government official to accompany the king. It is now the funeral of Italy's longest-serving president, Napolitano, and the UK government of Rishi Sunak sent the Duchess of Edinburgh. How pitiable is that no senior minister, foreign secretary, and senior royal? The UK government response is pitiful. Macron and German president are also present. The 58-year-old Duchess sat in the first row at the President Napolitano's funeral. Other head of state and member of the Napolitano's family accompanied her. On June 28, 2011, Queen Elizabeth II gave an audience at the Buckingham Palace in London to the President of Italian Republic Giorgio Napolitano and his wife Cleo Maria Bittoni.